So currently I am doing like a RTP process. So I'm doing the good receipt with reference to the purchase order. After that I'm just adding the non-ordered item. So here what now cylinder is the non-ordered item, and now I just check a good receipt document, it is fine. So now post the document. Okay. So when I'm posting the document, good receipt document, I'm getting the error. Global company GPIT is not supported. If we go for the message number, we'll find the message number like this. The direct post function could not be global specified. Okay. So for this error, what you can do, you just go for the SPRO screen. Go for the SPRO screen. Then SAP preference IMG. Go for the enterprise structure. Go for the assignment. Financial accounting, assign company code to company. So I have to check whether the company code is connected to the company or not. So my company code was GPIT and it is connected to the company GPIT. That means the configuration is fine. So go back one step and I will go for the definition part and I will check whether the company is available or not. Sometimes the students are delayed practice system, so I will go for the define company and now go for the position, and our company was GPIT not available. So here GPIT is not available, so I just go for the new entry, give the company name as GPIT and giving the company name as GPIT company, right? The line number is let example 098, post box is 6765 with this one, and the postal code is 751030. Let example city is in Bhubaneswar unknown caller and the country is India. Language key is English and the currency is INR. So click enter, click on save. Now it is done. Now go for the good receive document again. Check the document again. Now post the document. Now the document is posted. So you can resolve this error like this. So currently I am doing like a RTP process. So I'm doing the good receipt with reference to the purchase order. After that I'm just adding the non-ordered item. So here what now cylinder is the non-ordered item, and now I just check